Solana is absolutely exploding right now, guys. Let's go through some market structure. Let's go through a price prediction to see how high this asset could be going over the next few weeks and months or so. And we will be comparing it to the next bull run as well. So starting off with the current price of Solana and just seeing where we could potentially be entering this market just to get the best possible entries as possible, okay? So just looking at the price at the moment, we're currently sat around $87.52. It's probably different to when you're watching this video right now, but in terms of an entry point for the current market structure that I would be looking for here, I probably would say we're probably going to come up a lot higher, guys. I probably would say up to around $99 a coin, and then probably going to see a pullback to around 81 again, guys, because this is rallying up right now, okay? This is rallying up right now. It's looking very, very, very bullish. I currently bought my Solana at a lot lower price because I've been DCing this whole bear market coming through, but I will be buying more continuously as we go up here. So in terms of the buying points that I will be looking for here, guys, you can see we've got this filthy, disgusting red box zone, okay? So if we're looking back in terms of price history, you can see we've actually had a lovely, lovely level of support in these areas from previous price action for Solana, and again, heavy resistance, okay? So if we're referencing that right now for a bounce of support between these two areas, guys, this is very, very important. Between these two areas, you've got a red box zone here, and you've got a red box zone here, okay? And that is going to be priced $82 to $90 to $100 there. And you can see we bounce in this area quite a lot, okay? So what does this tell us? This tells us that we're likely to do it again, okay, from a support and resistance standpoint, especially with this bullish market structure to the upside, guys. Especially with this bullish market structure to the upside, we're probably going to come up to this area, probably going to pull back, and then probably going to find a lovely level of support sat at around $82, okay? So in terms of an entry point, guys, what I really would be looking for here is the previous higher lows, okay? The previous high lows that we have got put in the chart, plotted in the chart for market structure here, you can see significant pullback after setting that high, and that was currently sat at it's currently sat at 62. We haven't had a significant pullback since this zone, and yet still breaking that high, okay? So we have broken the high, and that's confirmed this higher low, but we haven't confirmed anything else just yet. So even if we pull back now, find support here, and then come up a bit, this isn't going to be the crucial break point for the reversal of the trend, okay? And what I mean by that, guys, is the higher low market structure we need to respect. So if the price came down to $62.91, the most recent higher low, the most recent confirmed high low that we have got on this chart, and it bounced, that's bullish. If we lost this area, we're likely to see a reversal in the trend, and then we're going to come down to around 51 and just look at the market structure breaking down continuously, okay? So ideally, what we need to do for Solana right now is set a new higher low, okay? So a new confirmed higher low is the sort of target here, and I do want to see us come down, set this level of support here, and then come up and break this level again, guys. If we can do that, then it's going to be looking very, very bullish for Solana, and we can be seeing a lot higher prices coming through. In terms of entry points, guys, I would be very cautious. We do have the Fibonacci 0.236. It's currently sat at around $66.88, and guys, remember, we are rallying up right now. We'd like to see a correction. If we don't hold up on this red box zone that I was talking about at around 65, 75, let me go into a bit more depth for that a second. You can see around 74 to 82. If we don't hold up, then I would expect a lovely bounce on the Fibonacci, guys. You can see previously we have tested this area again. Very, very nice in the most recent uptrend, looking really, really strong to the upside there for Solana. So in terms of buying points for this asset, just before we get into a really juicy price prediction, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Really exciting stuff for Solana. We're going to be looking at potentially buying up at this area, buying up at this area, and buying up at this area, guys. You don't want to be buying right now, okay? And you only want to be buying this area if we come up, okay? I wouldn't be buying this area if we came down now, because it's likely that momentum is dying off, and we'd like to see a bit more of a correction, probably down to these levels that I was just talking about, guys, okay? So in terms of buying spots for Solana right now that I'm looking at, $66, $62, $75 if everything is good, and 82 if everything is good. When I mean by that, I mean running up to these sorts of areas like so, okay? Let's get onto a price prediction to see how high Solana could be going and how much money we could be making if we're just holding it from now for the next sort of year or so, okay? So if we're looking at Solana from a standpoint of basically how high it hit in the previous all-time high in the previous bull run, right, guys? We hit $258 a coin, okay? $258 a coin, and that's just absolutely ridiculous. So let's go into a price range for that and see how high. Just before we do that, guys, just before we do that, I am going to be doing a trading challenge, okay? I'm doing a trading challenge for the new year. I'm going to be taking $5,000 all the way up to $100,000, and you guys can copy it, okay? You can copy my trades with a click of a button. All you need to do is sign up to Fair Desk Exchange and deposit money, press copy Crypto Chester's trades, and you're going to copy every single one of my trades over the next year or so, getting that $5,000 to $100,000. So link is in the description if you are interested in that. Now back to the price prediction. Let's get deep down and dirty into how high we can be going. So let's look at the all-time high just again there. How high was that? That was currently $258, okay? So $258. Let's draw that in on the chart there. Remember, guys, we always break all-time highs at bull runs. We always do. So 258, it's around a 200% gain, okay? So it's a 3x on your investment, guys. So if you were to put in $5,000 now, you're going to be walking away with $15,000 at this point, okay? $100,000 will be $300,000, okay? So it's a very, very, very bullish asset. And guys, this is... Personally, in my opinion, I love Solana, and I do really think this is going to see insane heights in the next bull run, guys, okay? This will be challenging Ethereum. A lot of people are saying that this is going to maybe even take over Ethereum in comparison to the fees, right? So this is very, very interesting. So if we're looking at Ethereum market cap all-time high, let's do that, actually. Let's do that on the video, and let's see what we can get there. So you can see the market cap for Solana at the all-time high at the bull market was currently priced at around $78 billion, okay? Let's bring up Ethereum and let's see where that high was at the bull market as well, okay? So let's just do that quickly. And this will basically give us some sort of a prediction of what we could be looking for here for Solana. I don't think it's going to be doing market cap. There we go, market cap. Brilliant. So it was up at around $568 billion. What's that like? That's just ridiculous. I've already forgotten what Solana was. I think it was it 58? Was it 58 maybe? 50. If it is $58 billion, guys, then that's going to be basically a 10x. Okay, it's going to be a 10x. So basically, what I'm saying here is the Solana price in reference to the market cap, if we're going to be doing a 10x from that point, from the all-time high, in terms of a market cap, that's just, we're talking serious price predictions for Solana, guys. I'm talking $600, $800, $1,000 a coin, okay? This is very, very, very possible, especially if it starts to rally Ethereum and starts to get to that comparison sort of level. It will take a little while, but we are seeing this come up to heights. So potentially we could be looking at a 10x for Solana here, and that is just unbelievable to be hearing, right? And that basically means, guys, a 10x, if you are new to investing, if you put in $1,000, you're going to be making $100,000 from your investment. You 10x your investment. Unbelievable stuff. So, yeah, back to price points for buying Solana, guys, because this is obviously very, very exciting. I would be looking for these areas here. But even if you were to buy here for a long-term hodl, then you can expect really, really, really good substantial gains to the upside, okay? And please remember, guys, this asset won't just run up. It will be your portfolio will be fluctuating as this market will swing in the next few years or so. And this is a long-term hodl. If you are looking for that 10x for Solana, it probably would be looking for around a year or so, or something along the lines of that, right? In 2025 for sure, in the next big run, okay? So please, if you're going to be getting involved with this for a long-term hodl, you've got to be patient, okay? You can't be selling the dips, you can't be panic selling and all that stuff. You won't be making your money. You need to hold it. You need to be strong. Obviously not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Don't ever invest anything that you can't afford to invest. And yeah, that's going to be my Solana prediction, okay? In comparison to Ethereum, looking really, really strong. Buying areas is going to be 82, 75, 66, and 62. Amazing stuff, guys. Hoping we can hold this market structure. Let me know what you think in the comments of how high you think Solana could go, because I'm intrigued to see what you guys are thinking there, whether you like my TA, and also whether you own Solana and what price did you buy it at, because I was scooping up Solana right down at these levels, around 16 bucks, stuff like that, guys. When we saw these lows get set in, I was just buying the hell out of these layer 1 blockchains, okay? So that's, I mean, you can still buy now and make a lot of money, so, yeah, don't overlook this asset. There's a lot of money to be made here, okay? But yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Remember, Fair Desk, yeah, over here, Fair Desk. Yeah, Fair Desk up there. If you want to copy my trades, I'll be doing a $5,000 to $100,000 trading challenge. But yeah, that's going to be it for me, guys. Link is in the description. Peace out, and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.